This Ijesu Olowa festival, which has been a New Yam festival, has been a long year tradition that has been the custom of this community. Right from time immemorial, when this community was born into place, this festival has always been taking place. This is to showcase that this community is God-owned community in time of bountiful harvest. You can see that we have big yam harvested from the farm, which is enough for the whole community. In fact, it's quite a very big opportunity for this community, because it shows that God Himself is with us. Because as long as there is rain, as long as God is still on the throne, the festival will continue to showcase. The community are always happy. It gives them joy that this type of harvest has come into place. When you look at this history, it has been one of its best kind so far in the history of Igbara-Oke. Igbara-Oke has always been witnessing the best since I came on throne. The Ministry of Culture and Tourism should be well developed, both in the state and federal, to enable the whole thing, to enable the people showcase their culture properly. The white people embrace culture. The Western nation embrace culture, because for you to take culture very important is quite a significant aspect of life. Culture has been our tradition right from inception of the born of Ondo. You can see virtually, you can see the Ondo of Ife has taken culture to a very great height. We travel with him together to Brazil and some other countries, and he has showcased culture there. And I think every Oba in each of his domains should showcase culture properly. Igbara-Oke, I think Ijesu. Papa àǹgbà tí mo tún wá gorí oyè, ó tún wá lékele kan sí, nítorí pé mo wá gbé lárugẹ tó jẹ́ wípé gbogbo ìlú gan mọ̀ wípé a ti gbé ọdún yìí lárugẹ gidigidi ni. Inú ìlú ń dùn sí gidigidi. Àṣà ó yàtọ̀ sí ìgbàgbọ́. Àṣà, ohun tí àwọn bàbá wa ti fi lélẹ̀ ni. Ó yàtọ̀ sí ìgbàgbọ́. Ìgbàgbọ́ wà lọ́tọ̀, àṣà wà lọ́tọ̀. Àṣà jẹ́ ohun tó jẹ́ wípé a gbọ́dọ̀ gbé lárugẹ nílẹ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè wa ni, torí pé àṣà kì í ṣe nǹkan tó gbọ́dọ̀ parẹ́ rárá ni. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ pé tí a bá ń gbé àṣà lárugẹ, á mú ìlú dùn, á tún mú ìlọsíwájú ìlú kó túbọ̀ pọ̀ sí. Inú mi dùn gidi nítorí pé òní jẹ́ ọdún ìjẹṣu mi. Òní báyìí tí n bá ti ń jẹṣu báyìí, gbogbo ìlú á máa jẹṣu. Nítorí wọn ò tí ì jẹṣu báyìí, torí wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ jẹṣu gan ni. Nítorí pé ó dìgbà tí Ọlọ́wà bá jẹṣu. Gbogbo àwọn tó sì ń jẹṣu, iṣu ẹ̀gbẹ́ náà ń jẹ. Tí n bá ti ń jẹṣu báyìí, àwọn náà tó bá dọ̀la báyìí, wọ́n á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí jẹṣu. Inú ìlú ń dùn sí ni, inú wa dẹ̀ ń dùn sí, inú mi gangan tún ń dùn sí.